In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the language on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram Web allows you to switch the interface language so that menus, buttons, and settings are displayed in the language you're most comfortable using. This can make navigating the platform easier and improve your overall experience. Once you're on the main screen, click the menu icon in the upper left corner to open the navigation panel.
From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize various preferences for your Telegram web experience. Scroll through the settings page until you find the language option. Click on it to view the available language choices. A list of supported languages will appear. Browse through the list or scroll until you find the language you want to use. Telegram offers a variety of languages, allowing users from different regions to customize the interface according to their preferences. Once you've found your preferred language, click on it. Telegram Web will apply the change immediately, and the interface will refresh so that menus, labels, and settings are displayed in the selected language. Take a moment to look around the interface and confirm that the language has changed successfully. The chat content itself won't be translated, since changing the language only affects Telegram's interface and menus. If you ever want to switch back or choose a different language, simply return to the Settings menu, open the Language section again, and select another language from the list. You can change the interface language as often as you like. Changing the interface language doesn't affect your account, contacts, messages, or privacy settings. It simply changes how Telegram Web displays its menus and options, allowing you to use the platform in the language that's most comfortable for you. And that's how to change the language on Telegram Web.